Namaste, esteemed scholars and seekers of wisdom. Today, we embark on a journey into the verdant landscapes of ancient India, guided by the teaching of the venerable sage Angiras. His legacy, rooted in the Vedic tradition, offers profound insights into the nature of existence, knowledge, and the sacred fire. Angiras, a Vedic luminary. To begin, let's acquaint ourselves with the statue of Angiras within the Vedic tradition. Revered as one of the 7 great sages of Sapitashira, Angiras' contributions span the realms of theology, cosmology, and philosophy. The dialogues of knowledge. Among the many tales of Angiras, one stands out: the dialogue between him and Shanaka in the Brihadaryanaka Upanishad. Shanaka approaches Angiras with the poignant question, "What is that by knowing which anything else becomes known?" This inquiry sets the stage for a profound exposition on the 2 kinds of knowledge: the apara vidya, or knowledge of the material world, and the para vidya, knowledge of the ultimate reality, or Brahman. Agni, the symbolism and philosophical implications. Angiras is intimately associated with the Agni, or the Vedic god of fire. But this fire is not merely physical, it's a symbol, representation of spiritual illumination, transformative energy, and the light of consciousness. For Angiras, the rituals involving the fire were not just acts of worship, but metaphors for inner transformation. The act of offerings into the fire, or yajna, mirrors the surrender of the ego, purifying one's soul and illuminating the path to self-realization. Cosmological connections. Angiras also plays a vital role in Vedic cosmology. As a progenitor of humanity, he links the terrestrial realm with the celestial, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all existence. This cosmic perspective beckons us to see ourselves not as isolated entities, but as integral threads in the vast tapestry of the cosmos. Legacy and relevance. While rooted in ancient tradition, Angiras' teachings resonate with contemporary philosophical and spiritual inquiries. His emphasis on inner knowledge, the quest for ultimate truth, and the transformative power of self-surrender find parallels in various philosophical traditions worldwide. As we immerse ourselves in the ocean of Vedic wisdom, figures like Angiras serve as guiding stars. They remind us of the timeless quest for understanding, the sacredness inherent in existence, and the ever-burning flame of consciousness within. May we carry forth the light of Angiras, seeking truth, embracing transformation, and recognizing the divine spark within and around us. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.